Hey guys, welcome to HT Contents channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all cache from your PC, and make sure you watch till the end so that you follow all the 4 steps. So here, the first thing that we want to do is open up Run. So you can do this by right clicking on your Windows key and clicking Run, or you can press Windows R on your keyboard to also open up the same thing. So just click on it from here. Then the first command that I want to type in is prefetch. So you just want to type in prefetch like that and press enter. You'll notice you have a lot of files here. So these are useless files. You can just click one of them, then you can just press Ctrl A, then you can hold down Shift and delete. That will make sure that it deletes all of these without passing through the recycle bin, so permanently deleting them. You can just press yes, and then if there's something that has refused to be deleted, meaning it's being used, you can just leave it the way it is. You can just click on skip, and that should clear up this area here. Now the second thing that I want you to type in again from here, from the same Run here, if it's not there, you can just open it again, but what I want to type in there is simple, is temp, just like that, temp. So that's for temporary files. You can just press enter, and also from here you'll notice you've got a lot of temporary files as well. So I did do some clearing, but you can just clear if you have a lot. Again, the way we did here, click on one, Ctrl A, then you just want to hold down Shift and delete. That will permanently delete them. Just say yes. If there's something that doesn't want to be deleted, you can just say do this for all and skip, so that will just leave the ones that are being used. Now again, when we open up Run, there's also something else we need to run. So here under Run, you just want to type in %temp %, press enter, and I'll also show you another way this gets cleared. So from here you can just press again, click Ctrl A, Shift delete. That will delete all of them. Again, from here not all of them will be deleted. As you can see, you can just say do this for all, and then you can just say skip. Okay, so now that has happened, so let me show you also one way you can do this as well. So what you want to do here under settings, so if you go under settings, then you go under system, then you should go here under storage. So under storage is this storage sensor. So usually it's off, you just want to turn it on, then you want to go here where it says change. So when you go on change here, you'll notice what it's going to be doing. So you can take this, it will delete temporary files for you, meaning you do not have to do some of these processes we've been doing if you take that. Then from here you can close. So now for our last command, we just want to go back on our Windows key here, right click, Run, then we just want to type in clean mgr like that, press enter, and as you can see from here we can choose a disk that we want to clean. So from here you first want to start with your C drive, so you can leave it on C drive, press OK. Then once you do that, here you will notice some of the boxes you can check. So here you can tick all these, and also if I click here where it says clean up system files, this will also do a deep dive in terms of the cleaning, so you can press OK. And also this is by doing this you can also find the Windows old if your PC had a major update. So from here, as you can see, temporary files, so temporary Windows installation files. So this depends, but for me I'll leave it because it's downloading updates, so it might be storing that. But for these other ones, the way they're ticked, as you can see, it is going to free up to 4.8 GB of my storage. So this is also one of the important ones. Then you can just press OK. Then it will tell you to permanently delete these files you tick, so you can just press delete and leave it to do its thing. So once you do that, once it's done, you should be good to go. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out a lot. So make sure you also leave a comment to let me know what you think. See you in the next one.